How's it hanging, peeps? Welcome to another DIY story time here on the imagimango channel. It is already a while ago since I created a video in this format. Maybe you remember and maybe you don't, but it did not go too well. Metal is sharp. Noted. But regardless, here we are again. Today we are making... I shouldn't make noise. Why did I do that? The microphone will pick that up. I have a toolkit to create Forky from Toy Story 4. Insert a PNG right here. I'm pretty sure this was given to me by Mary, also known as Jake, for my birthday. Or was it Christmas? Or was it our anniversary? Or was it my birthday last year? Either way, this has been in my room for such a long time, so it was about time that I'd finally make it. Oh yeah, and also I'm going to be talking about how this crisis has affected my life, so maybe I thought that'd be interesting to talk about. This toolkit, should I call it a toolkit? I don't know, this assembly, assembly of multiple materials. It was bought through AliExpress, I'm pretty sure, which is basically like Wish, getting products for a really cheap price and usually also a really cheap quality. Which also explains why this text is presumably Chinese and there's also no true Toy Story 4 logo, so I don't think this is a licensed product. I am scared on what these materials are because it looks like it's supposed to be the glue on his feet. I don't like the squishy noise it makes. It wouldn't be handy to have glue for that long lying in a room. And also it was in transit for like a month. Am I going to be playing with deadly materials? So how has this crisis affected my life? Well, in a video of mine, in the outro, I told you guys that I had a job. Which is funny, because the previous episode was all about how I couldn't find a job. And this episode is all about how I did find a job. But it's a job in the media world. Here in the Netherlands, the rule is that if your company is vital to the life of multiple people, you know, like hospitals or supermarkets, as far as I know, then you're allowed to stay open. And of course, I work at one of the biggest news outlets here in the Netherlands. I touched it. Am I going to get all sorts of diseases? What is this? This is some Chinese clay. Hand gel, very important. I'm going to touch it. It's sticky! The company, the news outlet that I work at, is very close to Mary/Jake's house. Which means that I still use public transport to transport myself. I am still at risk, but I do try to travel like as less as possible. Can I just put the legs in here? In the weird substance? I'm not going to put it in my mouth. So yeah, Jake's family is way too nice to let me live there for 4 days of the week. They even freaking offered me to use an electric bike, which means that I can go faster there. They're just way too nice. I don't know what else to say. And at work, we also have all sorts of ways to stop the spread. Like, we do really have to disinfect our entire workspace, since you are picking up a shift from someone else. And that someone has been pushing all sorts of buttons, has been touching the chair and the platform in front of you. So we have all sorts of disinfectant standing there for your hands or for the buttons or for the screens that I'm touching. And of course we follow the rules that you gotta stay, I'm not sure what it is in your region, but here in the Netherlands you gotta stay like 1.5 meters apart from other people. I just saw that we have red, which means that we can make a little red Forky. I'm so sorry. And I kind of want that, so it's a bit more original. So I'm gonna be using the red substance. Well, that was about one of the worst things that could have happened. I do wish that I could still hang out with friends. But of course, I understand that that's not possible, but it is very unfortunate because you're starting to feel lonely in a way, you know? And that's why I made my Hope from Home song, Let's Come Together While We're Apart, to signify, to tell you guys, to tell everyone, no one is alone, we're all in this together, of course. This is how he's supposed to stand in here, right? So please stay. Oh yeah, also I should bring up, this is disgusting. I should bring up my hair. Hairdressers are closed, so my hair is just growing out. It's just becoming very long and I've decided to just let it go. I'm really interested to see how my hair is going to be in a few weeks. This is the longest that I've ever had my hair, I think. And then I mean the longest of length, not the longest of time span. Because I'm pretty sure that I've had hair my whole life. Bloop. You can also take this time to pause the video and wash your hands. I just realized how weird this looks. Like it's like it's Forky's time of the month. I'm so sorry. And that's also like with public transport. I only do it twice a week just to go, just to get home and just to get at Jake's house. Because there truly is no other way. And that's the rules here in the Netherlands, that you only have to use public transport if there's no other way. And for me, there is no other way. I can't drive a car yet. I wanted to start that a few weeks ago, but that's not possible in the current time now. You don't have a face yet. Wait, how am I ever supposed to get your mouth? Oh, crap! The red was for the eyebrows, and the blue is for the mouth. Oh, I can get a little piece of red, like... There we go, that's his eyebrow. Of course, I'm also interested how your guys' life looks during this crisis. It's either a thumbs up or he's flipping me off, I don't know. Or he's like, stop! It is time to stop. The hands are not on the same level because of all the twisting that I did. Sure, this is fine. It's like his hand is behind his back. Oh crap, I just realized how bad of a symbol that is. His hand should be lower, or else it's historically inappropriate. That's a good way to describe it. There we go. Now it's just like talk to the hand. Talk to the non-existent hand. How am I going to make an eyebrow out of this? I just broke it again. Or I break it on purpose and he actually has two eyebrows like a normal human being. Even though it's not a human being. Like a normal piece of cutlery. A normal piece of cutlery with eyes. Yeah, okay, they won't stick, so I guess I'm gonna have to use tape to put it on. Oh, I have an idea. So now I have the back of the tape, right? What if I just put the eyebrows on the back of the tape? Stop. 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 Yes. Of course, I also want to deliver content to you guys during these hard times, you know, so that's why I'm here right now. I want to entertain you guys and I want to have fun, you know. So Thursday, I was thinking, I think I'm going to release a gaming video. And then I mean here on the imagimango channel, as like Pulp Shorts Gaming. This was a dumb idea. I now realize that. And I cannot go back. Oh, it looks like he has glasses. Glasses for forks. Come on, let's make it acceptable. It's 2020. He has protective eyewear. The camera stopped recording. I'm not sure where, but we are busy making a police hat because our guy is going to be a policeman. He's not going to have a mouth because that way he won't be able to spread the disease. Big brain. What is his name going to be? Captain Spork. Captain Spork? I don't know. Oh, he is the Emergency Spork.
Just another weird guy you show.
For the people who don't know, that's my artist alias. That does not really look like a police cap. But we'll accept it. What do you think? Our Forky policeman. I love how it just plopped onto there. This is our cup, Forky. And our police Forky is going to tell you, stay inside. Wash your hands. Don't spread the disease that we all know what's going on. And he's shaking because my fingers are shaking. Because I'm barely holding on to him because I'm scared that if I press too much that I will break him. But be aware, he will break you. Well, I'd say there was another really successful episode of DIY Storytime. Please subscribe if you like what you saw. No! Don't fall, you're fine, you won't fall. Don't fall, you're fine, you won't fall. Our little guy is fine. You can also be waving. Thank you for watching this video. Yeah, let's just jump on over to the end screen. Yeah, as I said, Thursday I might be uploading a gaming video. Next week, I'm working on a new song. And I hope you're going to enjoy that. It's all about not knowing what show to watch, which is also a pretty relevant thing currently. It's also the song that you heard at the beginning of my previous video. If you haven't seen my previous video, it was an Easter video. It was fun to bring the character of the Easter Bunny back. But for now, thank you peeps for watching. I will hopefully see you peeps next week and I hope you enjoyed. And please stay safe, stay inside, self-quarantine, and just do whatever you can. Goodbye, peeps. It was stupid.